Okay, good evening. Welcome to Math for Kids number 8. Okay, we're going back to our old format for this one. Oh, and I should also say, this one's a little kind of a special lecture. We're going away from the book, so there's not any homework with this one.
Yay!
No, too bad.
Yay!
Okay, so today we were working in Art of Problem Solving's Prealgebra book. And what did we come across? What did we learn about today?
We learned about some squares.
We learned about some squares. And they had a nice little geometric picture that showed x squared plus x plus 1 squared equals what?
X squared plus 2x plus 1.
Okay, and so we learned that, for example, that if x equals 5, that 6 squared equals 5 squared plus 2 times 5 plus 1. So let's just double check that that's true. What is 6 squared?
36.
36. What is 5 squared?
It is 25.
25. What's 2 times 5?
10.
What's 1?
11. 1.
1 is 11?
Why did you even ask me that?
Why did you say it was 11?
Why did you even ask me that?
Okay, so is 36 equal to 25 plus 10 plus 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so good. So let's play around with this and see if we can see a little bit of the geometry here, because I thought that was pretty neat. Did you think it was pretty neat?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Very
Okay.
neat.
Well, we won't be able to do 5 and 6, but let's do 3 and 4. So if we start out with a square with 3 on each side, and we want to make a square with 4 on each side, how do we do that? Do you think you remember how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what you do. Here's some Duplo blocks. No, you do it. Go ahead. So in this case, x equals 3. X equals 3, so we're trying to show that 4 squared equals 3 squared plus 2 times 3 plus 1.
Because...
There's our 3 squared.
And here is... Here is the 2 3's.
Okay.
And here is 1.
Okay, so let's separate it out because it might be a little hard to see on the screen. So here's our original 3 squared.
And we added...
Wait, no, don't separate it all the way out. Just separate it out like that. Okay, where are the 2 3's that we added?
Here's 1 3.
Yeah.
And here's 2 3's.
And there's 2 3's. And where's the 1? So when we took 3 squared and we added 2 3's and then 1, what did we end up with?
It's 36 squared.
Are you sure?
Well, it's 4 squared.
Which is what?
4 times 4.
Which is?
16.
16. Yeah, not 36. Okay. So let's see if we can show everyone how to make a 5 by 5 from a 4 by 4. So, well, first of all, let's check. Is 16 equal to 9 plus 6 plus 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so now we're going to try to make 25. So 5 squared equals 4 squared plus 2 times 4 plus 1. So where's our 4 squared?
We have it right there.
Okay. Where are we going to put our 2 extra 4's?
There are 2 extra 4's.
Because we're trying to say 5 squared equals 4 squared plus 2 4's plus 1. Okay, there's 1 4 here. I'll separate it out just a little bit. So let's see.
Make it like a...
Yeah, that's a great way to make it. Okay, so we got 4. We've got a 4 squared, and we have 2 4's plus 1. And what's that equal to?
So 6... So we're trying to show that 25 equals 16 plus 8 plus 1.
Okay. Well, what's
the same as 16 plus 9, and
Okay.
16 plus 9 is 25.
Oh. How about that? How about that?
You could lower the camera a little if you wanted to make it easier.
Yeah, I think it would. I don't think it would look so good. But we'll see. You want to see something else that's actually pretty interesting
Yeah.
about this? And then we're going to go into cubes. This is actually 5 squared. See, here, let me put these away. So we have our 5 squared. You see it?
Yep.
And that equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. Isn't that interesting? That 5 squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. Did you know that?
No.
That's pretty neat. Sometimes that happens. Okay, but now, you know what we're going to do? We're going to see if we can show the same thing for cubes. And you're lucky because I know a little bit about cubes.
So do I.
Oh yeah? What do you know about cubes?
They're three-dimensional shapes.
Yeah, they are three-dimensional shapes. You're right. Our squares were a little bit three-dimensional here, but that's okay.
Yeah,
So I'm going to show you, remember for squares we were showing that x plus 1 squared is x squared plus 2x plus 1.
Yep.
I'm going to show you that x plus 1 cubed equals x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Whoa, you want to see that?
Yeah.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out, you know, the only problem with these small whiteboards is...
Yeah, except you can't stick the Duplo box onto the big one.
Oh yeah, here, look, let's put them on here. You brought this out to help me.
Yeah.
So I think that's going to be a real big help. Okay, so here's our 2 cubed. So how many cubes are in a 2 by 2 cube? How many 1 by 1 cubes are in our 2 by 2 cubed? In our 2 by 2 cubed?
Here's a one. There's 4 1 by 1.
There's 4 1 by 1s?
Here's a 1 by 1.
Yeah.
Here's a 1 by 1.
Yeah.
Here's a 1 by 1. Here's a 1 by 1. Here, here, and here.
So how many 1 by 1 cubes are in a 2 by 2 cube? There's actually 8. Okay, and remember we're going to try to show that 3 cubed equals 2 cubed plus 3 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 1. Okay? What is 3 cubed? Do you know? It means 3 times 3 times 3.
Well, 3 times 3 is 9 and 27.
Okay, so there'll be 27 cubes. What's 2 cubed?
It's 2 times 2 times 2. 8.
8. What's 2 squared?
4.
What's 3 times 4?
12.
Okay, what's 8 plus 12?
Is 20.
Plus 3 times 2?
6. 26.
So 26 plus 1?
27.
Is that 3 cubed?
Yeah.
Okay, so hopefully this works. Okay, so we have to add on 3 squares now. So we have to add on 3 2 by 2 squares. So I'm going to put this one right on top. Okay. I'm going to take a square and I'm going to build it up like this. See how this is our 2 by 2 square?
Yep.
You see that? I'm going to put it on the side over here. And then I'm going to wonder if that looks okay on camera. Oh, I think it looks okay. And then I'm going to take one more 2 by 2 square. See my 2 by 2 square?
Build it up.
And I'm going to put it right there. Okay? Now, look at our shape.
Well, where's the...
Okay, what do we got to do next? We got our 2 cubed. We did 3 times 2 squared. What do we have to do now?
We have to do 1.
We did our 2 cubed. We did 3 times 2 squared. What's
We
next?
have to do 3 times 2.
Okay. So do you see any places where 2 cubes like this might go that would be really good?
Let's see.
2 go right there. Okay. Where else could 2 cubes go? There. And where else could 2 cubes go now? Up from the bottom. Very good.
We have just enough cubes.
Okay. So those go right here. Now, what's our very last step that we have to do? What I was going to show you.
Dun, dun, dun.
What is it? Tell me what it is before you put it on.
You have to add 1.
Plus 1. And look at that. So that showed 3 cubed is 2 cubed plus 3 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 1. And there's a 3 by 3 cube. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Now we could do it for 4 by 4. Actually, we have enough room on here to do it for 4 by 4, but we don't have enough.
Yeah, we don't have enough Duplos.
Can you figure out what 4 times 4 times 4 is? How many would we need?
64.
64. Hey, high five. Nice job. So, isn't that neat that you can do geometry with numbers?
That's amazing.
Yeah. Lots of people like to do that, actually.
Be amazing.
Pretty amazing. Okay, so I'm sorry, but there's no homework for this one. Wah. But that's okay. We didn't get to the homework today anyway, so we'll get to the old homework tomorrow. Okay? Hey, good job today.